Hello everyone! Today we'll start off by making this flower. For this, take the mask and then separate each of the sections. Cut out a circular piece of this and then cut out one strip of it. Now join it together at the bottom and slightly burn it. Make multiple of these and then afterwards take a hot glue gun. After you have done this, turn on the hot glue gun and then add the glue stick at the back. Take a yellow mask and then make multiple slits out of a small strip that you have cut out of this. Wrap this around some green wire, add a hot glue gun to fasten it in its place. Next, we will start off by taking multiple of these sheets and then starting with the white, cut out these petal-like shapes out of it. Curve the edges of it and then make an entire flower out of this. Now take a plastic sheet, fold it into half and then make multiple slits onto it, roll it around a wire, add it in the middle of your flower. Next, we'll start off by taking a mask, cut out this rectangular piece and then cut out this ovular shape out of it and make an entire circle after joining the ends together. Now begin to wrap this around some wire. Next, we'll start off by taking some tissue paper and then make a square shape out of it or a rectangular shape. Fold over two of the sides to make it meet in the center, and after you fold it over, add a wire through it. Now taking your straw, make multiple slits in it. Add it to the center of your flower and add a stem at the base of it. Next, take a yellow mask and then cut out the top and the bottom and the sides of it. Take all of the layers and then make the shape out of it. Join the bottom together. Now make multiple of these and then join it together in a circle in order to make it look like a flower. Take a strip of the orange mask and then roll it up. Add this as the center. Add layers to it and then add a stem to it as well. Start off by taking empty pistachio shells, paint them in yellow, then take some yellow crepe paper, wrap it around, add it in the middle of two pistachio shells and then add this onto a yellow stem. Then make multiple of these in multiple layers. Now add leaf-like structures to it as well to the base. Next, we'll start off by taking some fruit foam net. Now after this, we have tied it up in the center after rolling it up and then we are cutting out the excess of this. Now take a wire, wrap some around this and then add your ball to it. Next, we'll take some crepe paper and then wrap this around a wire, wrap this around cotton as such. Cut out two petal-like shapes and then stick them together. Twist the ends, now add this underneath in the middle. Now it should look like a little cotton ball. Make multiple of these and then join multiple of them together. This will be the final look. Next, we'll start off by taking this little seed. After this, scoop out the top of it as such. Add a wire through it and then take some red paint and then dip it into this red paint. Do this for multiple of them and then join them together using some wire and some paper. Next, we'll start off by taking some white thread and then join it together in the center after making a loop out of it and then cut off the excess of it and make it look like a ball. Take a wire, wrap it around with some brown crepe paper and then fold the top of it. Thank you for watching.